Today we are going to introduce Amazon DynamoDB. First, Amazon DynamoDB is a NoSQL database that supports key value and document data models and enable developers to build modern serverless applications that can start small and scale globally to support petabytes of data and tens of millions of read and write requests per second. DynamoDB is designed to run high-performance, internet-scaled applications that would overburden traditional relational databases. Now we are going to introduce the strengths and weaknesses of DynamoDB. As for the advantage, first, performance at scale. It supports some of the world's largest scale applications by providing consistent, single-digit millisecond response times at any scale. Second, it's serverless, which means with Amazon DynamoDB, there are no servers to provision, patch, or manage, and no software to install, maintain, or operate. Third, enterprise-ready. It supports ACID transactions to enable you to build business-critical applications at scale. As for the disadvantage, first is cost effectiveness. Test as expensive as production instance. It's good for only a narrow set of apps. Second, low latency rates. Third, geo distribution is unpredictable. Last writer wins issue in global tables. Development agility is not ideal for microservices-based apps. It gets cost prohibitive quickly. The last one, troubleshooting in production. It's hard to deploy as a containerized cluster in a CI or CD pipeline. Next, we can see that Amazon DynamoDB are used to build various applications, from serverless web apps to micro backends to microservices. And here is an example of how it's used to build weather application. Next, we can see some use cases. Amazon DynamoDB is used in different fields, from edtech to media and entertainment. It's used as a key value store for storing different kinds of data. Here are some customers, and it's used to support their mission-critical workloads for different companies, such as Netflix, Samsung, Capital One. These are all famous, although they are all different companies. In this part, I'm going to show you how to create a sample table, add data, scan and query the data, delete data, and delete the table by using the DynamoDB console. First, we open the management console and type in DynamoDB. Click it. Okay, here we are going to click Create Table. Because we are going to use a music library as our case, so we're going to type in music. In the primary key, we can use artist. And because an artist can have several songs, so we're going to use song title. And as for the table setting, we can use default setting. But here I want to demonstrate how it works. So here we can see capacity. And if you change this number to 1, then the cost will be very little. If you change it to 1,000, then the cost will be a lot. Here's the auto scanning, and we must be noticed that DynamoDB will create a role as DynamoDB auto scanning service link role for us. Okay, create. It takes a while to make the table being created. We'll just wait. Okay, here's the overview for all the settings. We can see all the primary key we just type in is here. and click item. In this part, we can create our data. For example, we can type in whatever artist you like. For example, John Legend, and we can choose a song. Follow me. Click save, and here it is. And repeat this process. We can create multiple items in here. Save. Continue. Let's say Taylor Swift. Love story. And we can create another one. Okay. Here we have a list of these artists and song, and we can start to query these data. First, we click query, and then we can start to search. For example, we want to search these songs which belong to Taylor Swift. Okay, click start search. Here's all the songs that belong to Taylor Swift. But probably we want to search more accurate. Then we can click begins with. For example, we want to search the song which began with A. Oh no, there's just a B. Okay, B, and click search. Okay, here's the song that belong to Taylor Swift, and the song title begin with B. In this way, we can query the data we want, and also we can delete data. Let's back to the scan part. Okay, if we want to delete any items, just click the checkbox and click actions, click delete. Okay, here the item is being deleted. And also in this way, we can delete the whole table if you don't want this table. And click delete. It also will take a while. Okay, now all the table has been deleted. And this is the whole process of how to simply create a table, add data, and delete the table. And I hope you guys like it.